Hello, everybody. This is Ahmed Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com, and today I want to share with you something really interesting, which is the Viral Affiliate Accelerator. The Viral Affiliate Accelerator simply is a video course where I teach you my proven viral affiliate marketing formula to force other people ethically to send you unlimited traffic, leads, and even commissions. Now, this is one of the best ways I use personally to scale up my business, and today I decided to share it with everybody. And guess what? Today you can get 100% free access to this training course. So make sure to take action fast because I may decide to change this at any time. And later on, maybe you won't be able to access it for free. So make sure to take action fast. To access this course, you just need to click on the first link in the description of this video. And it's going to take you directly to the sales page where you'll be able to watch the video, learn more about it, and claim your instant free access to the system. So after clicking on that first link in the description, it's going to take you to the page that looks like this, which is the Viral Affiliate Accelerator sales page. As you can see in the headline here, you're going to discover how to ethically force hundreds of people to send you unlimited viral traffic, leads, and commissions. And you can use the system actually to start a complete affiliate marketing business from scratch. And also you can use it to build your primary business if you have one. So if you're promoting some kind of MLM program, business opportunity, then this system going to help you to promote that primary business on autopilot. So here you're going to see this video which is going to explain to you everything about the Viral Affiliate Accelerator and what you're going to get inside. Actually, you're going to be getting 4 training modules, all video training modules, taking you step by step through the process of setting up your own viral affiliate marketing system. And those systems simply are viral marketing funnels. And those 4 modules are going to take you through the whole process of setting up your own viral marketing funnel from scratch. And you'll be able to learn more about what is inside those modules or what each module is about in this video here. Okay, so I recommend that you watch this video very carefully and you'll be able to get your copy right away for absolutely free in the meantime. So make sure to take action fast if you see that it's still showing 0 here because I may decide to change this at any time. So make sure to get your free copy as soon as you can. So after you click on any one of the payment buttons here, it's going to take you to the checkout page, going to show you something like this. All you have to do is to fill in this form here and click on get free access. Now, if you already have a Warrior Plus account, you can use your Warrior Plus details, click on get free access. And once you do that, you're going to see an upgrade offer, which is actually a shortcut way to help you to build a viral marketing funnel much more faster. But that's optional. Actually, you don't have to go for it if you don't want to. But I would recommend that you spend some time to check it out as it may be something interesting for you. But again, it's not mandatory. You don't have to go for that offer if you don't want to. You can skip it and go directly to the members area. And in the members area of the Viral Affiliate Accelerator, first page going to be the overview and introduction. You need to watch this video very carefully from the beginning and complete all the steps below this video, starting by bookmarking this page here and the rest of the steps. After that, you're going to move on to module 1. And module 1 simply is about understanding the basics, what this business model is, and you're going to learn about linear marketing and viral marketing, which is really important to go through those videos in order. Don't try to skip any part to jump into the next one because all the information here have been laid out in a specific logical order for you to understand the process. Okay, so it's very important to go through those training modules in order. After you complete module 1, you're going to move on to module 2, then 3, then 4. And after completing all those modules, you'll be ready to start taking action and build your own viral marketing funnel. Also, that you have access here to some bonuses and resources. Don't forget to check them out after you go through the course. Okay, so that's all about the Viral Affiliate Accelerator. What you have to do right now is to click on that first link you see in the description of this video to claim your free copy of the Viral Affiliate Accelerator right now. And I'll see you inside.